Welcome on. All are eagerly waiting for your PGCET results. And surprise for you people this evening. So the PGCET has released the edit option for your application. In case if some of you people have made any kind of errors while filling up the application, yes, this is the last option for you people to correct it. And the edit option will be open from today until 26th. And you can find it down here until 6 p.m. 26th, it will be open. So you can open it and start editing the application. Okay. So this is the first one. Now, how do I do it and what should I do? For example, I just show one of the scenarios with my student's number. So like in the same way, you can start editing. Which option is hidden and which option is open? Based on that, take a call and start editing the application. Okay. So now, okay. So now it will open the similar way how you were sending it up for your application in first time. Okay. First you get the instruction sheet and when you scroll down, then the next option available. Okay. So once you open up this page, it will ask you do you want to edit. You already had submitted this. So you need to tell that you want to edit it, and then it will let you inside this. Once you come inside this, you can see all these are grayed out. The first registration number, application number, name, date of birth. In case if someone has made a mistake for entering your name, I'm sorry, but the option has been deleted, so you cannot correct your name. Okay. So try to get some proof so that the name is getting matched accordingly. Date of birth, yes, you cannot alter anything in it. So make sure your name is as per your 10th marks card. It shouldn't be wearing anything apart from it. I had suggested that they would be releasing an option to edit the name, but unfortunately, the edit option for the name is not available. So whatever name you're having, you can start keeping up with that. Okay. So now get some proof for that particular name that some error has happened or something like that. And take it forward. Let's hope for the best. Okay. So this is first one. And next, the other options are open for you to edit. That is with the number or your nationality. You can cast RD number for those people who had just out to feed RD number or caste certificate had expired and to renew it. Please fill the renewed RD number over here so that you are on the right track while you go to council. Okay. So next, after this, yes, you are eligible to edit your study details, whatever it is, and for a reservation detail. So these are the three options which you can edit it. So I think most of the people might have committed an error in these areas. So just start following it up with it and keep up the right information. Do not make any errors. Beyond this, they won't open the link again. In case if you had made a mistake while entering your marks for your college or for your 10th, 12th, whatever it is, make sure everything is done properly. Not even a single mistake should be there. If it is again repeated, I'm sorry guys, during counseling you face a lot of errors again and you wouldn't be able to attend the counseling itself. Because the people sitting over there wouldn't listen to you. They will directly ask you to go out. Okay. So if this is the chance that you want to miss, it is up to you people. Okay. Now it's your call and how you want to proceed further. Now, after this, what you can do is, yes, keep up the college list, whatever you want. I hope all have started looking for the colleges, what you are opting for and having a list of the priorities. So anyone having marks above 35, okay, good, no issue, you will end up with a good college. Anyone having above 40 marks in MCA, no issues, you will end up with a good college. Anyone, you know that if you are in the general category, say that you won't end up with a good college, then start looking for options, either in the private colleges or in the management quota for the seats, or for the management seats in other colleges. Because it is all fast filling, then you might not get a seat in those colleges also. Okay, this is a option which I am letting you people know. Now, having said this, so don't worry, the option is open. So results will be out very soon. By the end of this month itself, you can expect it. To be prepared and all start cheering up. Okay. So let's hope for the best and take care. Bye bye. See you. For any other queries or something, you can just put down your comments and I try to answer most of the questions or come up with a specialized video. And on Wednesday, we'll be coming up with a video regarding your MBA specialization, MBA specialization, which you can opt and which is good for you exactly, and what is the reason, how you can start planning for it. Okay. So this is a very important video in terms of like what is the purpose you're going to choose that specialization. Okay. So having said this, I just stop the video over here. You can like our video, subscribe our channel, and also share this video to the maximum number of people, so that like we will be benefited or we'll be encouraged to do a lot more videos like this. Okay. So thank you very much. So let's meet in another video again soon. So till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.